When it comes to door installation in Metairie, selecting the right materials is crucial to ensure long-lasting durability, security, and aesthetic appeal. The climate in Metairie, which experiences hot, humid summers and mild winters, can impact the performance of your doors. Whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one, it's essential to choose materials that can withstand the local weather conditions while enhancing the curb appeal of your home. Here are some of the best materials to consider for door installation in Metairie. Fiberglass doors. The durable, low-maintenance option fiberglass doors are among the most popular choices for homeowners in Metairie. These doors are designed to mimic the appearance of wood, but with the added benefits of fiberglass. They are incredibly durable and resistant to warping, cracking, or rotting, common issues with wooden doors in humid environments. Fiberglass doors are also energy efficient, helping to keep your home cool during the summer heat and warm during the winter months. They require minimal maintenance, needing only occasional cleaning to retain their beauty. Moreover, fiberglass doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect design for their home's exterior. Whether you prefer a traditional look or something more modern, fiberglass doors offer versatility to suit any style. Steel doors. Security and strength combined. For homeowners seeking enhanced security, steel doors are an excellent option. Steel is one of the most durable materials available for door construction, offering exceptional strength and resistance to forced entry. This makes steel doors a popular choice for exterior entrances, particularly those leading into garages or backyards. In Metairie, where security is a concern for many homeowners, steel doors provide peace of mind by adding an extra layer of protection against break-ins. Steel doors are also highly resistant to weather damage, including moisture and humidity. They are easy to maintain and can be painted in any color to complement your home's exterior. Although steel doors can be prone to dents, newer models are often designed with reinforced cores that reduce the likelihood of damage. With proper care, steel doors can last for many years, maintaining their strength and appearance over time. Wooden doors. Classic beauty and charm. Wooden doors have timeless appeal and add an element of natural beauty to any home. In Metairie, where many homes feature traditional or historic architecture, a wooden door can be the perfect addition to enhance the aesthetic of your property. Wood doors are highly customizable, allowing for intricate carvings, custom finishes, and various hardware options to create a unique look. However, wood doors require more maintenance compared to fiberglass or steel options. They are susceptible to moisture, which can cause warping, rotting, or swelling if not properly sealed and maintained. In Metairie's humid climate, it's essential to regularly check the condition of your wooden door and apply fresh coats of sealant or paint to protect it from the elements. If well maintained, wooden doors can last for decades, offering beauty and charm that never goes out of style. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and corrosion-resistant. Aluminum doors are a great option for those looking for a lightweight, yet durable, solution. Aluminum is naturally resistant to rust and corrosion, making it an ideal material for areas with high humidity like Metairie. This material is also highly resistant to weather conditions, such as salt air, which can be an issue for homes located near bodies of water. Aluminum doors are available in a variety of finishes, including anodized and powder-coated options, which help enhance their resistance to wear and tear. These doors are also relatively low maintenance and can last for many years without showing signs of deterioration. Aluminum doors are available in modern and contemporary designs, perfect for homeowners who want a sleek, minimalist look. Vinyl doors. Affordable and versatile. For homeowners on a budget, vinyl doors provide an affordable alternative without sacrificing quality. Vinyl doors are designed to be highly durable and resistant to the elements, including humidity and heat. They are energy efficient and provide good insulation, which can help reduce energy costs. Vinyl doors are available in various colors and styles, and they require minimal maintenance. They won't warp, crack, or fade over time, making them an excellent choice for those seeking a long-lasting, cost-effective solution. While they might not offer the same level of elegance as wood, vinyl doors still provide a clean and modern look that suits many homes in Metairie. Conclusion. Choosing the best material for door installation in Metairie ultimately depends on your priorities, such as security, durability, aesthetics, and maintenance. Fiberglass, steel, wood, aluminum, and vinyl each offer distinct advantages, ensuring that homeowners can find the perfect door for their needs. By considering the unique climate and conditions in Metairie, you can make an informed decision that not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also ensures long-lasting performance and security.